No. So I, I decided to allow her to to do all her, to finish all her acting online. The arrest. Those of you that don't know, that arrest, Doris Ogala started it. They know. But unfortunately for us, we didn't know. She be. She pretend as if she's helping Ruth. At the same time, she's working for Jeremiah and is doing as if she's helping Ruth. So for those of you that understand very well, that is the work of a double agent. Let's get there. At that time, Doris Ogala, she's trying to gain my interest. She covered her face. She did a naked video with me. And you know me, I'm not hiding it. I know how I do my thing. I did record. Not knowing that she was equally recording. I mean, you know me, I didn't know I thought initially when I met her, I thought she's a philanthropist. But with time, but immediately, somebody that said she doesn't know anything about this thing. But the only thing that she doesn't know anything about it is not about baby testimony. Can you help me ask Doris? When she came into the picture, she took control of the whole team. She controlled everybody, including myself. Prof S, Bisola, bankroll everybody. Except that I told them from the word that I don't want money. That will only lend them my voice. That's the only thing that God saved me. They want, and they came to set me up. Herself and Prof S, they tried to set me up. You see, when your hands are clean, nothing will come out of it. When I now find out that after 4 days, I saw she caused confusion between me and Bisola. There is a gala. There's something I didn't add. I need to let you know that you're a very stupid woman. Because I had an agreement with Bisola. Bisola, because she told me I don't want to talk to Bisola. You are the only one I trust. So that caused confusion between me and Bisola. Bisola felt she was the one on ground doing the work. How come this big woman can't talk to her? She doesn't want to talk to Bisola. She was talking to me. She was talking to me, and she was giving me an instruction to give to Bisola. So, and I told Bisola, now beg Bisola, I said to Bisola, please let's do something, because she said to get her own lawyer, she do her own thing. I said, let's work from one point. Don't let it look as if you are doing your own, Professor is doing his own. It's not going to be good. All these pastors, they will be making jest of us. Let's shoot for one spot. I pleaded with her. I said, well, you will still meet her now. Maybe you are the one that will take this lady to Abuja. When you get to Abuja, don't give this lady to anybody. I don't want trouble. Hand it over to the same Doris of that Choma Johnson. He said, okay. Me, I thought Bisola handed over Ruth to Choma Johnson. Unfortunately, because she bought ticket for Bisola, she tweaked Bisola's head. Instead of Bisola to hand over Ruth Matthew to Choma Johnson, they hand over Bisola, Ruth Matthew to baby driver, not knowing that Doris Ogala was hiding somewhere. Don't you allow you say Ruth lie, Ruth did not lie. You drove Ruth, you went to go and pick Ruth from the airport with a jeep, with a driver, with a police officer. Those police have to handcuff because the motor is too high, it's a high jeep. I'm telling you because you are stupid. But it's just because assuming people follow instructions the way we plan it, they forecast, but they didn't. But eventually, when I realized how you were manipulating everybody, I did my own investigation, and I came out to tell the whole world that this is not Chioma Johnson. It's not philanthropist. She's not that big Nigerian woman that is trying to help. This is Doris Ogala that caused trouble. she pretend to be rich and she's trying and she bankroll everybody and she displayed that money. She showed proof the money. So there's another. I will show you the ticket that you bought. You bought business class for Bisola and Rosmati. I have it all. So you see, you said this thing is not about baby testimony. So why are you doing all that? Why are you spending all those money? I want all of you now today to think somebody that went that do that make you that said no. And somebody is saying that after all, this baby was missing since 2019. Yes. But what did Chioma Johnson did? So immediately I told the whole world that this is not businesswoman, this is Chioma Johnson. You see, as of the time I told everybody, Prophet himself doesn't know who is Doris Ogala. Because Doris was trying another thing with Prophet. That was when Prophet it was like, could it be true? So at the end of the day, they came out with Prophets. Doris Ogala with Prophets, they came out, they said it's not Doris Ogala. How many of you remember? How many of you remember that they came out? I have all those videos. Doris Ogala, Ruth Matthew, Prophet, they came out, they said it's not Doris Ogala. Abel, I'm asking everybody, let me see. Sylvia, you said I do. God bless you. Lolo said I do. Yes. You remember, Chief Family, God bless. They came out to do damage control. They said that Maureen, she is a liar, just to discredit. That was when this stupid woman came up with this story of when I was discussing with her, I said that I don't profess. I said, me, I dey sleep. How? Instead of them to play the voice notes, they started saying, Maureen, she's looking for content. She's this. They and before you know what happened, that was when they now told Ruth to do video. She did a video, she insulted me. That she doesn't want me to do any of her story. That she removed my hand from her case. She abused me well. That is handwork of Doris Ogala. But that is not where I'm going to. I didn't say so, and I challenge you, Doris Ogala, bring it out. My people, I left them. Unfortunately for this stupid Mumu Doris Ogala, that don't know her left from her right. She came to me. Doris Ogala came to me sometimes around 26th of August, 2022. After they've done everything, the people have now known that she's Doris Ogala, some are doubting. Do you know how Prophet got to know? Because Joshua, Matthew has a brother, Joshua, that went to that hotel with them. He has to tell them who he, because me, I've already posted, I already put Doris Ogala's picture out there. I posted it already. So it's easier. It's easier for who is this Ruth Daniel Ogala? Who is this? Who is Daniel Ogala? He did this woman. Doris Ogala. So, both of them, they want to run streets. Criminal, jam criminal. So, let's leave it at that. That is how they came up with the narrative. So, after that one, I left them. I came out, I told the whole world that these people are not looking for any child. They are all liars, including Ruth, including Doris Ogala, Prophet, and all of them. And I removed my hand and I hands off. You all remember where, now I now understand why, at that particular time we don't know that Doris Ogala and a double agent. So we don't know. In August, you remember when she came back to come and apologize to Maureen, apologize to everyone. How many people remember when he went to Chidi's platform on YouTube? My people, you remember when Doris Ogala went to Mr. Chidi platform on YouTube, begin to do a show, begin to do like looking, crying, and doing all sorts of things. I know some of you will remember this thing. You remember. God bless you. Other Grace Doris Ogala is here to inform Nigeria who was bankrolling her on root case. This is what the kind of question we should ask, not all these things she's talking about. So, and she came to me. She came to me first before she went to Dr. Chidi. The stupid woman make I play wetin talk. This was our conversation. Doris, you are messing with the wrong person. My head correct. Oh yeah, abeg, say una don see, make I read am for una. Did you see the day 26 August 2022? Those of you on YouTube, you should see it. Those of you on YouTube, did you see it? This was our conversation. She thought she's smart. She want to use me to go and fight Prof S. She brought out a lot of evidence, what they planned between what all the way they are trying to set me up, everything they did, and I started laughing. She now said, "Now, Maureen, this is time to return your YouTube. This is time to fight Prof S. Let's do it. You will do influencer, you will make money, you will do all this." I started laughing. I play along with her. I got all the information. I declined. I did not do it. I only posted J Israel. Conversation between J Israel and Profess. Because J Israel came to meet me inside inbox to say he wants to help me. That I'm looking for information about Profess. I say, you are very stupid. I'm not looking for any information about him. If I'm ready to dig about him, I know how to get my information. And he went back to Profess to say, Maureen came to me. So when she told me everything, I brought out everything. But what do I want to say? This is our conversation. This is myself and Doris Ogala. You can see her name is Chioma Johnson. This is 26th of August 2022. He said that was when we were discussing about what Bisola told you. The first Bisola told me, because Bisola told me that Ruth was in love with Prof S. And what caused this? You know Moses. Moses is from Igara. Moses is trying to be funny, but I won't say that now. I won't say that. I will respect that. So, but saying you were in love with Profess was a cook-up story. I will still play voice notes. When I hear them, the same person that called me today, you say when I will have a recording, when he talk about Akporoko, you say Akpororo, when that one fire her, she came out to apologize. The same Doris Ogala. Anybody that say anything that does not support her, she'll come out and attack that person. She's a stupid girl. I am a wrong candidate. But saying you were in love with Prof S was a cook-up story. Nigerians say Unasian, and I have apologized to that. The same thing she told me in 2022, that it was a cook-up story. Now she came back this morning. maybe she dey craze. She said, I will show you another one. I wronged you, and I will always be sorry about that. What you say is so the girl is like this thing, no be only me like her. What I said, so Rusef like this thing. So no be only me like this like this thing. That was what, not about Prof S. Me, I say, say so Rus they do this thing. Say no be only me like, and me too. No be only me they do that thing. We were joking, and they twisted it. Please don't fight with me. That is what Prof S want. I'm really sorry for everything. I can come on your page to clear that fact. There was never a time you said you were in love with Prof S. It was all like to tarnish your image. We planned by Prof S. We even said worst thing, which I sent to you. If I sent to you, you will hate me. Nigerians, you see, it's good to keep record. And I'm going to play another voice note. This voice note, you will know that Doris Ogala is a devil. Can you mute yourself if you join this platform, please? I will appreciate it if Omo Kuti, mute yourself, please. I will drop you if you don't mute yourself. You are disturbing my program. Let me remove you. Before this was, and the same Doris Ogala decided to come. I won't stop it. Who is this? She's a woman that she didn't do mistakes. She did it on purpose. She did it on purpose. She called me this morning, threatening me. Something you know that it is a lie, that you are Profess plan. Assuming I don't keep record, I don't have this now. She go out there and stop blackmailing me. You are telling me to stop this? Please know what you come to my platform to come and tell me. She has done this for a long time. She can try with another person, not with me. I know her. She's a manipulator and a liar. You see all those crocodile tears? All those crocodile tears doesn't move me a bit. So if you don't know what you're going to write, I'm sorry, I will do it. And even the one I will do, will be bigger than because I still have more that I'll bring out. Next time, and if I exposed her the last time, I had no correct. Now me won't come mess with me. Except I don't want to do something. Except I know that when it comes to do investigation, I'll be okay. I know they don't be joke. So listen to Doris Ogala. Assuming I don't have this, this is the way she will come online and start lying to all of you. And some of you will believe. I want you to listen to what Doris has to say here. The voice you are going to hear now is Doris Ogala's voice.
Who is this? Who is this? E no go better for you, Doris. Who should shut up? E no go better for you. God punish you. How dare you call me with another person? E no go better for you if you no bring her at all. You are a mad lady. You are going down.
Hi Maureen, I saw your live. You see, I will never justify what I did to you. And one thing I did when I realized how wrong I was, I called you up immediately and I apologized. I remember vividly that I
It is
told you
clear,
that I
right?
said so many things on some voice notes that you might not like when you hear them. But I'm truly sorry because I didn't doctor any voice note. I've never played any personal voice recording of me and you. I'm never ready to do that. Last thing I want to do is to come and contend or have issues with you because I wronged you. What I did to you is against humanity. So, well, I'm feeling very bad though
Oh, no,
that you heard one voice note and
if it's not clear,
it got you
yeah,
upset. I said a lot of bad things, so many bad things with Prophet because I had to play by what he wants me to play as at that time. Because when he
said
sent
it's
me
not
to go
clear.
collect money
And you
from
know,
Jeremiah Umoto, in honesty, I reported to EFCC and I reported to police. This will come out after Prophet's arrest. People will understand it. When I swore to you that I made that prayer inside the plane, I did make that prayer. I would never swear with my unborn children if I did not make that prayer. I said that prayer. I told God to use me to bring out the truth. Maybe this is the truth God is using me to bring. I can be everything, but you see, this time I would never lie or manipulate anyone.
can't
I
you even
remember
hear?
vividly
I
that
can
when I
hear it
came to
loud.
you, I
It's
said,
very
I'm
loud
ready to
here.
right every wrong that I've done to you.
You
I
too,
went
you
to the
said,
extent of calling prophets
thank you, Chief Fine. It's very clear now.
to make him admit to tampering with your YouTube. That's to prove to you how sincere I was in my apology. Well, the way I'm seeing it, I'm being judged by everyone.
A
It hurts
professional, a
me because
professional, a
it
professional Nollywood actress is acting for Nigerians, and with a fall, yama yama, I no fall. Oh. There is a girl I no fall because me, I have a personal relationship with you. I know you. So all this your crocodile can no move me.
was not even easy for me to come out and own up to the bad thing I did. It's really heavy on me. I've never committed any crime as this in my entire life. Never. And I did not also commit this crime deliberately because I was scammed by prophets. In the verge to expose him, I got myself involved in this whole thing. And I explained to you at that point, I had to do everything he wanted me to do. Because I didn't, it's very sensitive. Any slightest suspicion from me, I would catch him red handed. And that's the truth. Well, I've said sorry, and that's me. I've said sorry to you, and I will continue to say sorry to you.
Sorry, you said sorry, and you came this morning trying to blackmail me. You said sorry because you wanted to use me to help you to fight Prof S. Because you came to me, you said the only person Prof S is afraid is me. So let's do it. Build your channel back. Return anything. There's nothing you did not say. I have everything recorded. I have every word. When you came back, every word, everything, I kept it. Because I knew there's no how you can use me. And you say you are when I forgive you. But this was what you did in August 2022. It's the same drama you are still acting now. And this is 2026.
People might not understand that swear because I actually swore with my unborn children, but that's the truth. While I was flying to Abuja, I told God to help me to use me and expose the truth.
You are a liar here. You went to Abuja to go and do a job that you were paid for. You traveled to Abuja to go and do the job that you were paid for. They gave you money, they pay your hotel bill, they gave you money, they do everything. You are saying that you swear with your unborn child for something that you went there to go and do a job. You are an informer. Today you confirm that you are an informer, that you are well paid. Now you type am, no be me.
I was coming to expose Prophet because he had already scammed me.
Yes,
I met
now.
Prophet February 19th, and that's
He
the
said
truth.
mumu like you.
That's far beyond before Ruth case. You will not deny the fact that I assisted immensely in the release of Ruth. At least
Doris Ogala, because you see, I need to refresh